What's good, y'all? I'm V, and you're watching 80s Babies Tutorials.
Back with another tutorial. Today we're in Adobe Illustrator 2020, and today we're gonna talk about the stroke and the fill tools. I don't think the version matters for this. I know it doesn't for a fact. CS6 and up, it doesn't matter. Now, if you're using something a little older than that, I'm not sure, but I know the technique is the same. The placement of the tools might be a little bit different. All right. Without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so I'm gonna start off with drawing a simple square, right? Bam, drew a square. But if I click away, I can't see the square. Why? Because there's no stroke or fill in it. I'm gonna highlight that square, and I'm gonna go here to the left-hand side, and that's gonna be my fill. I'm gonna color that green. The one right next to it is my stroke. I'm gonna make it red, right? And I turned it up so you can see it. And then also, in this little corner over here, you got highlighted, you see the stroke. You can press X, and then you see the fill. So if I double click that, I can go in and adjust the shade. Oops, I didn't click the object. I can go in and adjust the shades of the fill, and I can also press X again and go in and change the color of my stroke. Now, also with the stroke, you have this placement over here with brush definition. And in the brush definition, you can change the type of stroke that you got. So I want to have, let me click it, I want to have splatter effects for my stroke. Bam. You know, you can change the size of the splatters, which makes it look crazy, but you can do whatever you want to do. It's all an artistic choice. You know, whatever choice you're trying to achieve, whatever creative vision you're trying to have, you can go into this library and you can test them out, and it's a bunch of them. And that is the stroke and the fill tool in a nutshell. Hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. And appreciate y'all for watching. If you have any other comments or think of something else that we should touch on, don't hesitate. Leave it down there. We'll get back to you, and we'll try to attack that too. So that's it. See y'all next time. Peace.